Hey, it's your Smoky Mountain meteorologist, Paul Poteet, heading into the middle of July now with the weekend fun and weather update. You know, with all the hot stories of the day lately, all these hot headlines in the news, maybe you need a moment just to cool off. So we've got 2 minutes of cool, calm, collected fun in the Smokies. You'll see in a minute that you'll have to beat the heat in the Smokies because we've got above normal temperatures for every day of the 7-day forecast. And as the temps go up, you could always go down under the Smokies. Click the Insider's View link. You can watch our video that spotlights all kinds of different Smokies highlights, including this really cool look at the Forbidden Caverns. People love staying cool at Dollywood Splash Country, and it's always going to be a little cooler in the evening, just in time for the fireworks show that's there every night, and that's part of Dollywood's Great American Summer. And speaking of evening entertainment, there's always Tunes and Tales. That goes on in Gatlinburg, and if it's too hot for you to even walk around during the daytime, you could always investigate one of the Gatlinburg free trolley rides. That should help keep you cool, too, over the next few days. Cool and calm. You go to our Things to Know section. That's where we have all of our blog posts. And you'll see a story about a new calming room at Dollywood for those with autism. And water can work when you need to cool it. And, of course, you could always maybe do some rafting this weekend. That looks pretty refreshing, doesn't it? Might want to double-check the Doppler, especially on Friday and Saturday. Maybe you'd like a little less drama on the water. You don't want to go whitewater rafting? How about another story in our Things to Know section? It's all about Douglas Lake, some nice, quiet, good fishing. In the meantime, the 7-day forecast can be found right here. I mentioned that those temperatures will be above average, and here's proof. 89 Friday, upper 80s Saturday, maybe the low 90s. Sunday and Monday will bounce right back to that by Wednesday and Thursday. I do think the weather will still be unsettled at times. There on the forecast chart, you can see chances of scattered showers and storms on Friday and Saturday. Maybe a little smaller chance on Sunday and Monday. Tuesday, the chance gets a little bigger again. I think we might actually just have plain old hot, but not stormy weather Wednesday and Thursday of next week. So do double check the sky and maybe the radar before you head out this weekend to have a great time when you visit mysmokies.com. Stay cool.